Let's say I wanted to create a birthday invitation, but I do not want to create one from scratch. I want to use a pre-existing template. So I can come over to the left-hand side, select templates, and in the search bar, I can simply type in birthday invitation. And depending on if you're using the free plan or the pro plan, you will get some options of birthday templates. And this crown symbol will indicate that this is only for pro plan users. So if you're not on the pro plan, you cannot use this template here. So let's say I liked this template, for example. I can click on it, and on the bottom right, I can click on customize this template. So now I can start editing things around. I can change the color if I want to change this to, for example, a blue color. I can change the text also to a blue color. If I want to change all of it to a blue color, I can simply click on change all. You can do that as well. So you can customize this to your own needs, and then you can download this on your own computer once you're done editing this template. And that's how easy it is to use these templates here. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.